Today's meeting will be on how to reduce eye strain when using technology. So, to start off, what is eye strain? Eye strain is tiredness in the eyes after using them for long, intense periods of time. It can occur from using the computer for long periods of time, driving, reading, or being exposed to bright light and glare. Eye strain can also cause headaches, tired eyes, blurred vision, and general discomfort. So, what are some general strategies to avoid eye strain? The first one is to minimize the amount of glare. Glare reflecting off of computer screens, walls, and nearby surfaces can cause bad eye strain. There are many ways to reduce glare on the computer screens. Anti-glare screen, paint your walls in a matte color, glasses with anti-reflective coating. Number two, adjust screen brightness. If your device's screen is much brighter or darker than the lighting in the room, it increases eye strain. Try to match the brightness of your device to the light in the room. So, how do we adjust brightness on? So we'll start off with Mac, Windows 11, and then we'll go to smartphones and tablet. On the Mac, you press the F1 key to decrease the brightness or the F2 key to increase it. In Windows 11, select the network icon on the right side of the taskbar, then move the brightness slider to adjust the brightness. Finally, for smartphone or tablet, slide your finger from the bottom of the screen to the top of the screen to open the control panel, then slide your finger up or down, or left or right, on the brightness bar to adjust it. Or go directly into the settings app and tap on display and brightness. A third step is to avoid blue light. Blue light is in all the screens that surround us that we use throughout the day. Blue light can be a big cause of eye strain that also make it harder to fall asleep if there's a lot of blue light intake in the evening. We can configure our screens to avoid blue light on Android, iOS, Windows PC, and Mac devices. Blue light can cause eye strain and insomnia when using your smartphone or computer before bed. So, how do we change the amount of blue light on a device? Most smart devices have an option to reduce blue light on a device. So, here's the general example. It can be found in the settings of the computer and is usually called night light or night shift. So, depends on your device. A schedule can be set so it automatically turns on at a certain time. So, how do you do it for Android? In your settings, go to screen and then you go to blue light filter, then toggle the button on. So we go to display. So you go to your settings and then you go to display, blue light filter, and then here you can click it on or off. Some phones allow you to activate night mode, which makes the screen lighting turn warm at night. So as stated previously, blue light always, if you intake blue light before going to sleep, you'll have troubles, maybe cause insomnia. So the night mode, which reduces the amount of blue light, is helpful for people who want to go to sleep right afterwards. So for iOS or iPad, iPhone, Mac, you can adjust the blue light before sleeping or activate night shift mode. So here's how it will look like on an iPhone or iPad. You can program the start and the end of the night shift or activate it manually and choose whether you want the light to be a warmer or cooler tone. So again, plays on the same tech and uh, technology in general from Android. So the common theme is that each operating system will offer a similar form of reducing blue light. Windows, access it by going to settings, then you go to your display, and then afterwards nightlight. You can use the slider to control the screen light intensity from 0, which is the coolest, to 100, which is the warmest. And this is how the little widget looks like. For Mac, for Apple computers, you can also enter night shift mode by going to System Preferences, Then you go to your displays, which is very similar to Windows, and then you go to your night shift, which you is offered here. Blinking more often is another technique which can reduce eye strain from computing from looking at a computer for so long. When people are looking at a computer screen for a long period of time, they usually blink less frequently than they should. When people don't blink enough, their eyes get drier, which can cause eye strain. So, a fifth technique is frequent breaks and eye exercises. Taking a short break from looking at the computer every 15 to 20 minutes can help reduce eye strain. During this break, a good way to help reduce eye strain is to look at a faraway object. This break should last at least 20 seconds, but can also be longer depending on your preference. So frequent breaks and eye exercises will it's still we'll continue on off of the previous topic, which is use the 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at an object 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This will ensure that your eyes don't get strained as much and can also be an indicator for eye health. So, here are some visual exercises. Figure 8. This exercise consists of relaxing while watching. With your head still, as your index finger draws a figure 8 in the air, it is important to perform this exercise very slowly while trying to relax your breath. The key to the success of this exercise is consistency, which is why it is recommended to be included in daily routines. Step B, circular massages. Close your eyes and place your fingertips an inch above the eyebrows and make gentle circles for a few seconds. The massage can be continued by stretching the eyebrows with the hand from the inside out. Palming. Place your elbows on a table or desk and then bring your fingers together, flexing them so that they stimulate a shell. Cover your eyes with your hands and move them gently in circles without exerting pressure. So, we talked about eye exercises, but coming back to another technique, which is the sixth one, is modifying computer setup. Make sure the computer is a good distance from your eyes and is at a good height. The computer screen should be around 20 inches or an arm's length away from your eyes. The middle of the screen should be around 20 degrees below eye level and reduce eye strain. Number 7. Keep papers the same distance from you as the computer screen. If you're alternating from looking at a paper to the computer screen, make sure they're the same distance from your eyes. Put paper or any other object you're looking at frequently next to the computer. This will stop your eyes from constantly refocusing on an object from a different distance. Technique 8, increase text size. If the text on a computer screen is too small, your eyes have to work harder to read it, which can cause eye strain. Increasing the text size will make it easier on your eyes. You can also change the size of the text on the display within the device's settings. This setting is usually under the Display tab, which an example is given here. So, how do we increase text size? On Mac, you can zoom in on a text by placing two fingers on the trackpad and pinching outwards, or by pressing the Command and plus keys. For Windows 11, press the Start button to open settings. Click Accessibility, then select Text Size. Then, finally, for smartphone or tablet, Settings, then you go to Accessibility, and in Accessibility, you should find Display and Text. So, using computer glasses. Computer glasses can help to see the computer better without straining your eyes. Computers are at a further distance from the eyes than normal reading, so your eyes will often have to work harder to see the screen. Computer glasses will make it easier to read what is on the screen. Um, where to get computer glasses? To get good computer glasses, it is a good idea to go to your optometrist to get a proper prescription and glasses that will suit your need. These glasses will block out blue light and make it easier to see the computer screen, improve sleep, and avoid eye strain. Other places to get computer glasses, warbyparker.com. So here's the website, and once again, the link for the presentation will be posted. So if you're curious on computer glasses, you can click on this link and may find something of your interest. It offers prescription and non-prescription lenses that block out blue light, as well as it has a variety of styles. Another website is gunner.com. Again, here's the website for those who want it when the presentation is posted. They offer a wide variety of prescription and non-prescription computer glasses that block out blue lights. And this is how the website looks like for Gunner, and this is how it looks like for Warby Parker. Adapting to new lenses. When it is deciding When deciding to get new glasses, keep in mind it can take some time to get accustomed to them. You may not be able to see clearly at first. Your brain will need to adapt to the visual changes, and you may get headaches as a result. Even new frames can offer an adaptation period. If the uncomfortable sensation persists or you have any worries, please visit your top optometrist. That is it for today's presentation. Thank you for listening. Here are the credentials on the side, and thank you.